Why most people are stuck at 2cc in their forever business. Now, most people are busy making people sign up under them and helping them become customers and helping them produce even more customers for their downline. However, today I'm going to teach you how to build forever business leaders in your team instead of mere customers. Hi, I am Venkat and I'm the CEO founder of AV Peron Academy. Excellent life skills videos like this are exclusive on AV Peron channel. So, click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to never miss videos from AV Peron. Now, it's very natural for most people to sell products because they think by selling more products we'll be able to make more money. And common network marketing people do the same mistake. They assume that, hey, let me move more products down my team so that I should be able to make more CCs and make money. So here are the steps they follow. They meet people, they talk about Forever's uniqueness. Now it's true that Forever is a unique company. We are the world's #1 aloe vera producing companies. Our products speak about great transformational value, which is all great, which is all true. But here's the thing. Once they speak about Forever's uniqueness, they also explain how products work. They also show them the results of people who have used these products. And ultimately, they help people convince to buy by signing up under them. Now, that's all great. But that's not how great networkers do. And it is a catch on how common networkers are actually doing. See, great networkers, they sell mission, not products or plan. Great networkers believe that they have a sense of mission of putting the world's best aloe vera on everybody's hands so that they're creating a planet of individuals who are all living in a disease-free body. And you are playing a huge role in this mission. And since this is a huge mission of producing disease-free body individuals all across the planet, you want business leaders as your team members who could help you accomplish this vision. That's what great networkers think like. So, they don't meet people. In fact, they invite people. So, of course, they're meeting people here, but the thing is, they are meeting people upon invitation. And what do they invite them for? They very clearly seek business leaders for fulfilling this mission. The mission of producing everybody have a disease-free body. So, the people are trained under them for this business mission. And in turn, these business leaders create huge customer base. Now, unlike in the previous slide where I showed how common networkers work, they're simply meeting people, they're talking about the greatness of Forever's products and signing them up to buy. Now, the catch is it could produce customers with inconsistent CCs. You see, maybe the customers understand that Forever is a great company. They produce products that have great, immense transformational value, and that's all true. But they might not consistently buy down the line. With time, they could become inconsistent because they know what's Forever, they know how it works, but they do not have a reason to buy Forever products consistently for lifetime simply because they're not part of a big mission. That's not how they were trained. When you sign them up, you simply sign them up to be a customer under you, and most likely with time they will become inconsistent customers. However, great networkers, they build huge customers base of people who are consistent buyers for lifetime. Business leaders, therefore, will also hire people who are also business leaders but not customers. So, business leaders produce business leaders, producing business leaders and business leaders, and this chain continues, producing global leadership. That's how great networkers do network marketing differently. They are mission driven people hiring business leaders, not signing customers under them mindlessly, producing inconsistencies. So let's observe the difference in the steps that these people follow. So the steps are: a commoner meets people, he talks about forever, he signs them up, he makes them buy, and that could produce inconsistent CC per customer. But hey, you understand forever, you understand the power of the plan, you understand the power of these products, and you want to grow in this business, but you're producing inconsistent CCs per customer. So how else could you grow? You got to meet more people each month for more CCs. And therefore, you tirelessly work hard, building your team, maybe you're producing considerable money, and that's good, but most likely you're stuck. And that's why people find it very hard to move beyond 2cc or sometimes even 25cc about reaching supervisor, because they are working hard making people sign up under them instead of producing leaders. Now let's see, what do great networkers do? They invite leaders. They very clearly say, hey, we want business leaders. There is a business proposition. It's mission driven. It's a global company, and we want business leaders to fulfill this mission. And I'm keenly looking on selecting people who will help me fulfill this business mission. So they clearly want business leaders, and they train them to hire leaders, not customers, because they do not have a customer-centric approach at all. They're all about global leadership. They have a sense of mission, and they're hiring leaders to help them fulfill this mission. And what is the mission? The mission is to use forever's aloe vera to produce a planet of individuals who are disease-free. So that's how they sign up. Of course they are signing up, but that's how they sign up. That's how they are meeting people, by invitation. So they get consistency from every sign up, because every person who is coming in is so wowed, is so moved, is so trained, is so thrilled with the possibility of he or she becoming part of this big mission. They're going to buy, and they're going to buy with a sense of conviction, with a sense of mission for lifetime, because they're leaders, and leaders produce more leaders. So from each individual on whom you invested so much hard work and effort is going to produce consistency for lifetime, because he's not just a customer, but now he or she is a business leader. So they are busy creating leaders, not signing people up under them. That's the key difference. So you got to produce leaders to move beyond 2cc in forever business. So change your approach. Okay? Do not just sign people up under you, because they will eventually with time end up as inconsistent customers. However, by producing leaders, you create customers who will consistently give you CCs for lifetime. So I hope this quick training has helped you understand how to move and grow beyond 2cc to become a global business leader with forever business. Don't just be ordinary, don't just be a common networker, but choose greatness. Choose to operate like a great networker. Change your approach towards forever business. I hope This quick training has powerfully changed the way you do forever business. Thank you so much. I will see you in another training like this. Until then, goodbye.